Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Before we start lesson this morning, please one of you lead the prayer. Okay?
Attention, please. Let's pray together. Pray start. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, students, next I will check your presence. Mutiara Sabrina, Nadia Putri Salsabila, Naila Sari, Nila Nisa. Okay, class, before we go to our material, first of all, I'd like to give you a warming up. Our warming up will be with claps. If I say clap 1, you must do like this. Yes. Okay, let's try this. Clap 1.
Yes.
Very good. Now we try clap 2. If I say clap 2, you must do like this. Good. Okay, let's try. Clap 2.
Good.
Nice. And then we try clap 3. If I say clap 3, you must do like this. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Clap 3.
Okay.
Nice. Now I will combine between the claps. Listen and focus. Clap 1 and 2.
Yes. Good.
Nice. Clap 1 and 3.
Yes. Okay.
Clap 2 and 1.
Good. Yes.
Okay, very good. So it shows you that you are now focused. Okay, students, if you find someone having a trouble or problem, will you be just quiet or you will offer some help? Okay, good. And in English, there are so many expressions of offering help. Can you mention one?
Yes.
Yes, Rina?
Do you need help you?
Do you need help? Okay, good. Who else?
Me.
Okay, Rini?
Can I help you?
Nice. Okay, we will see many expressions of offering with the video. I will show you a video. Okay, please focus on this video and try to catch.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Please be focused on this video and you must write down the expressions of offering in English.
Wabarakatuh. How are you all, my students? In this video, Mr. Akbar will explain about expression of offering. Lalu menerangkan tentang expression of offering. Apa itu expression of offering? Yaitu ekspresi tentang menawarkan sesuatu. Ekspresi yang diucapkan ketika kita ingin menawarkan baik barang ataupun jasa kepada.
Okay, students, you have seen the video about expressions of offering. Can you mention what are the expressions that mentioned in the video?
Yes.
Okay, I will open my PowerPoint and please mention the expression of offering.
What do you like to do?
Okay, what do you like to do? I will type it.
What I can do?
Pause. You like me to. And then should I get you?
Yes.
I get you. What else?
My family will you.
May I help you?
Hi mom, what are you doing?
I'm cooking for banana.
May I help you mom?
Yes, please. That will be very lovely. Take knife on the table.
Okay mom, any more?
Peel the banana and don't forget slice the banana lengthwise.
Yes mom, I have finished it.
Thank you, my pretty daughter.
You're welcome mom.
Very good. Okay, please sit down. Okay, today you have learned about expressions of offering help. And I think the Bantalke is enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's close our meeting with saying Hamdallah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.